My first real pipe tobacco was a house blend from Boda's called Bob's Wacky Backy, and for weeks I couldn't taste a single thing. So I did the only thing that made sense to me at the time. I just kept puffing, harder and faster, trying to get some taste and flavor out of my smoke, until I was smoking my pipe until it looked like I had a cigar going. Way too hot, tongue bite every single time. I'm Joseph Foy from Tobacco Country, North Carolina. The farms are right across the street, right over that way. If you're new here, hit subscribe because I've got a different take on this than most beginner videos. Here's the thing nobody told me back then, and honestly, most beginner guides still don't say it clearly enough. My tongue bite wasn't really about which blend I picked. It was about how I was smoking my pipe. I was compensating for not tasting anything by puffing hotter, pulling that hot air and steam faster. And for me, then, that's what actually did the damage to my mouth. So, before I get into any recommendations, I want you to hear that part first. The blend matters less than people think. Technique matters far more. With that being said, blends still matter some. So, let's get into it. First up is Carter Hall. This is just a fantastic recommendation for someone starting out. It's mellow, forgiving, doesn't ask much of anything from you while you're still learning the basics. If I'm handing somebody their very first bag of tobacco, this is genuinely one I consider reaching for. Next, Sir Walter Raleigh. Also great, easy to find, easy to smoke, gives you a real pipe tobacco experience without throwing anything complicated at you while you're still trying to figure out how to pack and light your bowl. Next up is Borkum Riff Bourbon, which honestly is one of my personal go-to codger blends, beginner or not. I know some people online will tell you that codger blends and drugstore tobaccos are something you grow out of. I don't buy that at all. This is a genuinely good tobacco and a good smoke, and it's still in my regular rotation today, all these years later. So here's what I want you to take from this video. If your first bowl gives you tongue bite, don't assume you bought the wrong tobacco and go chasing a different tin. Slow down first. Check your technique before you blame the blend. And that's the mistake I made, and it took me way longer than it should have to figure out. Smoke what you like, ignore the rest. I'm Joseph Foy. This is the Carolina Pipe. Get that technique right, and just about any tobacco will treat you well. I'll see you tomorrow.